Well, hello there. We're up in the tree today, and we are using the Moocher. This is by Omega Slings. I do believe I have found me a perfect candidate for a natty. That shall do. Let's go carve it up. So this is going to be a very wet natty, but it's going to work. I needed to trim the trees in my yard anyway, so this is actually perfect. This little guy here is proving out to be an excellent little moocher. You can go out to the woods and take down some slingshots. I'm going to trim it up a little bit. And I'll just trim it right here, and then we'll make it a little bit better. That's like going through butter. Now we have the beginning of a fork. Good stuff. The moocher. Next, I'm going to go ahead and true this off. I'm going to make it kind of straight, somewhat. So let's do a slicey slice there, slicey slice there. Now we're getting closer. I'm gonna go ahead and shorten up the handle a little bit. I'll put it right around there. All right, let's grab our other knife. I'm gonna use the Viper next, and we're gonna trim this up some more. All right, since this thing is straight off the tree, it is very green. If you're gonna make a natty that's gonna last for a while, using green wood probably is not the best. You should have it dried out first for a little while. Next, I'm gonna use this knife here. This is the Tanto blade by Omega Slings. There you go. This one I daily carry. I use it all the time. Let's bring it down a little bit, and let's see what we're gonna do. I think I'm just gonna skin this knife, or this thing here, just a little bit. There we go. All right, so now we got a cleaner kind of fork. Let's go ahead and get this side done. Okay, now we got two. Now we're just going to put some band grooves on there. This is going to be shot like this. And I do want some grooves in this one, so I'm going to take the knife and I'm just going to make a little tiny groove all the way around. Now we got a couple of grooves. In theory, all we should have to do is band it up. So I'm gonna get some bands, then we're gonna slap them on there and see if we can hit a target. All right guys, so this challenge was to make a natty, a natural fork with using just Omega knives. So I used the Moocher and the Viper. Sorry for the sun there, but it is what it is this time of day. This thing is every bit of 100 millimeter wide, so I don't know how it's going to shoot. But here we go, very first shot. I got a can down there, see if we can hit it. Damn, this sun is brutal. Gotta adjust the hat. All right, first shot was a little low. Got one shot out of it. A little low again. A bit to the right. Something just moved. Oh God. Alright, I'm not going to be able to take too many more shots with this. Things are starting to happen. I do have a squirrel head to the right of that can. I'd like to try and hit it once before this thing lets loose. I got the squirrel head there. I don't know how good you guys can see. Let's see if we can hit it again. Got it twice. Fun little challenge. I used the moocher, which is this guy here. It locks into place in this here, and also you can go up to like that kind of angle here. I'll have a full review on this at some point, but this is the moocher. And then I also used this knife here, the Viper. Excellent knife. And my job is over. Thanks for watching.